Selamünaleyküm. Fit. Orijinal sigaret. Üzerinde sigara var mı? Paket var mı paket? Muhtar paket var mı? Paketin adı ne? Paket ne? Kim yok mu? Yok. Tutsana. Tutsana kamerayı tutsana. Sigaret. Orijinal sigaret. Bir şakşaklama şuklama.
Bitti. Tut sen şunu.
Niye şakşaklıyor?
Gel ben şunu dur. Gel ben getir buraya koy. Gel buraya koy. Gel şuraya sen.
Göstereceğim. Bir daha mı göstereceğim? Göstermeden duramıyorsun ya. Sevenlere very good of you.
Gel buraya.
Perfect. Kendi atma eli better than this. This is the machine. Cost. What you pay, what you get. This is extremely good.
Şunu da göstereyim mi?
Göster. Look. Look. Very good. Very good. It also has a cleaning mode. Let's see. English. Manual page. You can control all the components from here. And work page. You can change the speed up to 30 bucks, which is like 6,000, 15, 20, 25, 30. And desired quantity, you can say, like for example, you say 588, for example, 5,888. It will stop at this number, so you're gonna see when you get the machine, you're gonna see this number anyway. So lights on, speaker is automatic mode. When it's not on, see, it's gonna be stopping like that. See, stops. Why? Because when it's automatically up, it's gonna stop. Right. If you give continue, the machine figure out that there is no tobacco, and it will warn you, no tobacco. That's good. So this is manual mode. You can just wanna see how it works, like for single shot. After the single shot, you can check the cigarette you just made. Look, it's good or not. I didn't put any tobacco on it. The manual is for that, for testing the cigarettes, like single piece testing. You don't have to use it all the time. You can use the start button for automatic filling. A very important reset button. This machine won't work if it is not aligned like this. It's not gonna work. You see, it didn't work. Why? Because it's not aligned. If it's work, it's gonna hit here. What's happening? It should be lined up. You see, look. See, it's not lined up. Pusher, tube, and nozzle. They're all in one line. This way is gonna
Video
work.
çok uzun oldu. Teknik özellikle. Evet, evet. Here.
Yes.
Test.
Testing. It's one single test. See, it's testing. It's one single one like that. Let me see. Let's see. There you go. Very good. We are supporting Trump government. Thank you.